Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I have my wife with me, Josephine. Today she'll be doing most of the cooking, but I would like to thank all my subscribers and all my viewer watchers. If you're wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today we'll be doing something different. Today we'll be using a pressure cooker and everything. Miss Belle, what are we doing today?
Today we are making baked chicken and we are using the instant pot pressure cooker, and our ingredients are green onions, garlic, black pepper, chicken powder, onions, celery, and seasoned salt and olive oil. And the whole chicken.
And a whole chicken. So we'll be doing all this together. I let Miss Belle take over now with let her start putting it in the way she want to put it in. Miss Belle, take over. Okay, we're gonna mix up all the ingredients together. Just put it in one bowl so it'll be easy to put it on the chicken.
And we mix all the ingredients together. And now we're gonna put all of this, sprinkle it in the chicken.
Okay, now what she's gonna do, she's just gonna rub the seasoning, put it all over the chicken like that. Trust me, and it's gonna be very delicious and everything. We did quite a few of these at home and everything. It was nice and everything. And I told my wife she might as well do a video on one. And just put that all over just like that. Just put it over and go turn it over. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up this pressure cooker and everything. And my wife, she's gonna put it in and everything. So, you say what you said there on, baby.
And now we're gonna start putting saute. Heat the pressure cooker.
And now she's gonna pour the olive oil in there, a little bit of it, and just get started with it. Just enough to put it in there so they get hot.
Now the cooking oil is hot ready, and I will put the chicken and I will make it dark, and then after the other side is dark, I will flip it and make it another dark the other side. The other side is already brown, so I'm gonna flip it and make the other side brown too. I have the leftover seasoning that we mix. I will just put a little bit more in the top to make the chicken be tasty. Both sides is already brown, and I'm gonna put all the ingredients inside the chicken. I'll start with the celery.
And now she's just stuffing it with all the ingredients. I'm telling you, this is gonna be good.
I'll put all the ingredients inside, and then the leftover I will put in the side. Side by side. I'll put all the ingredients side by side. Put all of these vegetables so everything will be tasty delicious after the chicken will be cooked.
And as you see, it's looking nice and good. She had a few more, you know, Mr. Belle like put everything in there. I don't like leaving nothing out. Put all of them in there.
I'm gonna pour like a half a cup of water in the side to make have a juice for the chicken, and let the water be hot, and then we're gonna put the top for the pressure cooker. As you can see, this steam is already coming out in the pot, so I will gotta put the top of the pressure cooker. And we're just gonna slide it. Make sure the things in the top is all the way in the top, and you know and then we're gonna seal it like that, and then it will start cooking already, and then I will cancel it and I will put a pressure cook, and I will put it in 50 minutes. And after that, it will start cooking by itself.
As you can see, it's on, so everything's cooking nice and good. Like I say, this right here is gonna be delicious baked chicken in the pressure cooker. As you know, Mr. Belle sing for all you first time viewers watching and everything. And when you're making a lot of dishes and everything, don't leave it for the spouse, don't leave it for the husband, don't leave it for the kids, don't leave it for the roommate, don't leave it for your friend. Wash the dishes as it's cooking, and that way everyone can enjoy the food. Or either they might be hungry and say, "No, I don't want nothing to eat," because they wonder who's gonna wash the dishes. Wash the dishes as it's cooking so everyone can be happy and enjoy the meal.
As you can see, it say 50 minutes, so the pressure cooker is starting cooking already.
Okay, now it's beeping. It's done, so we're gonna release the pressure. Right there, the pressure is released. After all the pressure is out, we're gonna take the top off. Okay, now we're gonna take the top off and see how it looks and everything. We're gonna sit the top over here on the side, and we're gonna look at it and see how that come out and everything. It's looking good and everything, and it is ready. And we're gonna take this out and put it in a bowl and see how this tastes. Okay, this right here is your baked chicken in the pressure cooker. It came out real nice and good. It's hot right now, so I'm not gonna taste it, but that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Mrbelle'skitchen. Thank you, and for all the ones, you can leave a comment in the box. Thank you. Okay, this right here is your baked chicken in the pressure cooker. It came out real nice and good. It's hot right now, so I'm not going to taste it, but that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Mrbelle'skitchen. Thank you, and for all the ones, you can leave a comment in the box. Thank you.